I know you're super frustrated because you have the same exact error message, VMWARE player error while powering on, internal error. Well, I'm going to show you the solution, and it's real quick, real simple. Stick with me. So here's the deal. Let me show you how the error pops up. So basically, if I close this error out, so there it is. I got my Ubuntu 64-bit in my player here, and now I want to go ahead and start it up and get into my Python tutorials, which you definitely want to take a look at. But so what happens is if I go and I play virtual machine, no play. I don't get no play. I get this error message, which I'm sure you're getting as well, which is why you're watching this video. But the solution is very simple. Go to the start, click on start, and type services.msc. Boom. Now you have this window open, which shows you all of your services. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll down to VMware. Surprise, surprise. Who could have guessed that? Did you have to look for a VMware related service to fix a VMware problem? Wow. Anyway, so if we look right here, we see VMware authorization service. Now, if you go ahead and you right click on this, you will see that it says for properties, it says that it's been stopped. Now, I cannot enable this because I'm not logged in as an administrator. All right. So what you need to do is log in as an administrator, and you need to make sure this service is running. So basically start the service. Now, to further clarify this problem, what it is, if you're having the same issue, is if you have multiple users logging onto the same machine and you find that only one user can start up the virtual machine. So it's the same virtual machine, the same file that's being used by multiple Windows users, right? One Windows user, it works fine. You log in as the other user, you get this funky message. Well, to fix it, basically start the service. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and let's cross our fingers that I don't get pie on my face, the proverbial pie. All right, so what I did is I logged in as an administrator, and I went ahead and started the service just so I can show you what I did. Can't actually do it here because I'm not an administrator. By the way, make sure that you're very critical about which accounts you give administrator access, because if your account gets hacked, you have to consider that the hacker now has administrative access to your machine. So definitely pick an account that you don't use on a regular basis. You don't want to be using the machine basically as administrator, right? Because if someone intrudes into your machine, you go to a bad website or some bad software, and they somehow get into your machine and they are able to take over. If you're already logged in as an administrator account, that's very dangerous. So I tend to use only as much security or power as I need for my day-to-day. If I'm actually doing administrative tasks, I will formally log out and log into an administrator account, right? So as administrator, this would not be grayed out. See, it says disabled, right? So you can set that to automatic or manual, whichever you so choose. And then you click on start to start the service. Then once the service is running, see this error over here? This wonderful error over here. Let's go ahead and click on the OK button, and let's go and try to start this once again. Power on. I like it. Ladies and gentlemen, it is that easy. If this has been helpful to you, click on that like button and subscribe, and make sure to smash that bell.